A lot of people ask about a piece of property they can build on. Is it buildable? Does it work for a new home? And it can vary a lot. One of the first things you have to look at is what's the zoning? What's the property zoned for? Most of the time, if you have a piece of property that's off-site, and that is, it's not in a plan, it's zoned residential. Another thing you have to look at is do you have room to build? Now the site we're on is 5 acres, so there's plenty of room to build. You also have to look at driveway access to a street. This road is off a private drive, but we had to locate the driveway in such a way that it would make the grade going into the house as low as possible. In certain areas of western Pennsylvania, you have to be very aware of coal mining. Sometimes there's strip mining on the site. Sometimes we're building homes over deep mines. You have to look at the depth of the mine and the amount of cover you have on it. Those are all things that need to be researched before you buy a piece of property. Other aspects of it, does it have gas rights? In today's Marcellus shale drilling boom, that can affect the value of a property as well as the access to it. Electric is not available everywhere. Sometimes we have to add poles. If you see over here, I met Duquesne Light out here and we were able to add that pole relatively economically to bring power onto this property. Gas lines aren't available. Even though we're in the middle of drilling for gas, we had to have propane. So we have a propane tank that we have to coordinate. We also have to coordinate a water tap. In this case, there was no water tap out here. We had to drill a well, which means you have to, find out how deep the well is going to be and everything like that. The best thing I always tell people is let me look at it with you. If you think a piece of property might work for you, I'll walk it. I love walking in the woods. I love walking on pieces of property, so I can tell you what I think the best ways to approach that property are. My wife, Debbie, is a real estate agent, and she's very good at finding pieces of property. These are all questions that we want to look at. These are things as a custom builder